And our next contestant, a young gamer, also a nerd in school. He won 2 first places in a DECA competition. Coming up next, does he have what it takes to be the next Ice Storm Idol? We'll find out after these messages.
Hello.
Are you tired of being stuck inside and are you really bored? Are you tired of playing video games all day long? Oh man, I think you cracked it. And are you tired of riding on the exercise bike all morning long? Looks like you're struggling over there. Well, get up and make a video like us. Yeah! See you on Ice Storm Idol.
Have fun! Next up, we have Harry Potter, the young gamer from... Let's see if he has what it takes to be the next Ice Storm Idol.
Hi, what's your name?
I am Harry Potter. My name is Harry Potter.
Okay, Judge Q, it wasn't that one. Okay, well, we have water spilled all over our stuff, so...
Guys,
So what are you going to sing for us today?
you know, I'm gonna sing my favorite song. Bro,
Your favorite song?
back in my country, you don't pronounce S's.
Okay, go ahead and sing for us today.
Alright, guys.
You going to put your broom away?
No, me and this one, we're not connected. Oh, no.
Alright, Harry Potter, go ahead and sing for us, please.
Back in that city, it was like, oh, yeah. And I was like, oh. Anyway, oh. I was like, ah. And we were like, peace to America! Oh, don't let me
Bring out your broom.
Yeah! Touche!
I guess you know it's a no. It's a no for me.
No.
Yes or no?
Yes, see it again. I see it
A
again.
yes? Okay,
Yes.
you got one
What?
yes.
Y'all gave me no! Y'all come in this thing, what the world?
It was him.
You don't give me no. You don't give me no no. You don't give me no no.
I said yes.
Alright, where's my ticket at? Give me this. Give me this. Get my bandana.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Mr. Q, you heard it.
So, that was one of the most extreme auditions we've ever had. We'll be back on Ice Age Idol.
Next contestant on Ice Storm Idol, we have Ajatuya. Yeah, I said it right. From Virginia. Let's see if this extreme young lady can wow the judges.
Yo, Big Z, wake up.
Oh, alright.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Ajatuya.
Alice.
I got you a gift.
Oh, thank you. I like her already.
I know.
Rude. Okay. So what are you gonna sing for us today, Alice?
Katy Perry roar.
Katy Perry roll. All right. Think you can handle that song?
Yes.
All right. Let's hear it then.
Ready?
Yes.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath. Scared to rock the floor, I made a mess. I went from 0 to my hero. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing. So So I felt for every day. You helped me down, but I gotta get ready 'cause I had enough. You see it, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, fire, dancing through the fire 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar.
Alright, stop. Alright, that was pretty good, wasn't it?
It was amazing.
Alright,
It was amazing.
so we have to make our decision. How old are you out of Tuya?
9.
9?
You suck for 9 years.
Wow, out of Tuya is 9. That's pretty
I can't
impressive.
feel my
No, it's not.
Alright, so
Can she live the
I'm gonna be a yes.
I give you no.
Guy don't like ugly. Okay.
And I say, you need to get ready.
You're going to Ice Age Idol in
Oh, man.
Italy.
Yay!
Boo.
We'll see you in Italy.
Boo.
Let's go, boo boo.
That's why you have water in your lap.
Dang it.
Thank you.
We'll be right back after these messages
I
on
don't like
Ice
her.
Age
I
Idol.
don't like her.
I mean, Ice Storm Idol.
We have Shook Candy from Candyland. Let's see if she got what it takes to reach the top. You ready, Shook Candy?
Girl, yes I am.
Hey.
Hey.
Yes, boo.
Hey.
Okay.
So
Where are you
fabulous.
I am from Candyland.
Oh,
Okay. How old are you?
I am 29 years old.
Oh, I like your little bow in your
Thank you.
hair.
Isn't that cute?
Yes, boo.
Okay. Oh, we have
you.
one more question for you. What
Okay.
song will you be singing?
I'm going to be singing Single Ladies.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Oh,
probably
snap.
that look.
Let's sing. Guess what?
Okay, 50-year-old man with your hood and sunglasses
Correct.
on his
Shook
Yeah.
eyes.
Candy.
That's
So,
the most. I'm
since
17.
you're from Candyland, we made a special treat just for you.
Uh-huh.
We make candy.
Y'all make candy cards.
Yes,
Yes.
but you have to pass to get one of these. And these can become souvenirs. So when you come back next time, you might get $1,000.
Oh, I'm going to pass flying colors.
Okay.
Yes.
Next,
They
let's
all
hear you.
fine colors.
When you're ready, Shook Candy, you can go ahead and start.
Okay. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single
Wake up, Big D.
ladies, all the single
Wake
ladies,
up, Big D.
all the single ladies. Big Z is a jerk up in the club, just broke up and doing my own little thing. We decided to dip, and now you want to. Whoa, that doesn't usually happen in auditions, right?
Yes, it does.
Yes.
Oh.
Keep
And most,
Another brother noticed me. Up on him, he up on me. Don't pay him any attention. Cause you hang
you can't stop, Shook Candy. Shook Candy can't stop. Okay, now, we don't want to be rude or anything, but that always happens. He always falls asleep because he's Big Z.
He's so tired.
Okay, but now let's go ahead and pick. Since
I didn't finish the song.
Okay.
I didn't get to the dancing.
That girl.
Okay,
it's
go
her
ahead.
hair.
Girl, you are a pass, Bill.
I say no.
I say yes.
Yes, girl, you going to Candy. Guess where you're going?
Where am I going?
Italy.
LA.
I'm going to Italy.
Yeah, girl. Big Z, wake up, John.
That was.
Hey, nah.
Aren't
No.
aren't you the one that gave me
Isn't
the bell?
Big Z
Look at that.
so mean to our people? Well, guess what? When you come back, you will always know that Big Z is a Big Z. Final contestant, we have Koala from Virginia. Let's see what he has. Koala? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so how old are you?
Hello.
Okay,
And where are you from?
England.
That doesn't sound like an English accent.
England.
okay.
Take the headphones off, please.
Okay, how old are you? What song would you be singing today?
Gotta get that.
Okay, and we have one more question. We do not allow crazy singers. If we have to call the police or somebody, You will not get this ticket at all. And Big Z is the one who's picking today. Okay.
What are you talking about?
Okay, come on.
Who is she talking to?
Come on.
Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. 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 Gotta get boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Read the
Can you stop? Can you stop?
Below.
Can you stop?
Rock and roll.
Please stop. I'm Big Z.
That was just
Big Z.
speechless. I'm speechless.
Yes, no.
Absolutely
Excuse me.
disgraceful.
No. Big Z.
I give him a yes.
Big Z. Dominic.
Are you out of your mind?
Big Z.
No.
Stop putting my head.
Dominic.
I said no.
No.
That's a double no.
Sorry.
Put my cup down.
Sorry.
Security! We see so strange. Contestants around here.
What a weird.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Okay, we had some weird from our first contestant through our last contestant. I am so sorry y'all had to see that today. We'll be right back with these messages. Beep.
Today has been a crazy day at Ice Storm Idol. We've had some crazy people.
Ooh, no ticket! No ticket! What the world? I'm taking my ticket! Oh!
Oh.
Who just snatched their tickets like a thief in the night. We had some really nice contestants who brought gifts.
Hi, I bought you a gift.
Oh, thank you.
I don't
like
like
her
her.
already.
I don't.
And her sweetness paid off.
Thank you.
See you in Italy! Yay!
Have a great time.
We had a candy girl, but kind of a fun girl. Candelina.
Hey, y'all!
Yes, bro.
No.
Yes, bro.
And she worked from that single lady.
No.
Am I going to Italy?
Guess
Yes.
what, girl? Here's your candy card.
Alright!
Fall.
And that's how it works. Did I stop it? And we had some straight up weirdos. Hello?
Next. What's your name?
You like my uncle? His name is Steve.
No.
It's Steve. Hello, Steve. There, did your arm? I told you I'd bring you.
Okay, let's hear you sing.
I'm sorry.
You
What's your
did.
decision?
No.
What's your decision? No. Disgusting. It was him. Stop drinking out of my cup. Give me my cup. So that's it for this week's showcase of Snowstorm Idol. We hope to see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye. Hey, ladies. We'll see you on our next video. Hope you like it.
Anything to say?
How y'all doing, bitch?
Don't come back. Don't come back. Don't.
Ladies,
come back.
ladies,
Don't come
ladies. Y'all don't have to fight over me.
No one's fighting over you unless you mean
Stop.
invisible people.
They want to see
All right,
me.
have a good weekend. Bye.
You